What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, excuse the mess, I'm so sorry for that, but today we got back our Mustang and it's still not completed yet. Now, Matt did a good job with the bumper, but he ran out of time. He didn't have much time to help me fix the rest of the car, and that's fine. So what we're gonna do today is we're actually gonna try to attempt to do this again, a second, third, fourth time, whatever it takes. So one thing I noticed here is on my passenger side headlight, it's missing a little tab. The tab is kind of broken, so I'm gonna make a tab out of whatever plastic I can find. And I also bought myself a plastic welding gun off of Amazon, so I will leave the link in the description below for that. It's actually pretty sweet. I've used it already and it works amazing. So we are gonna weld up our own custom little plastic bracket piece for the passenger side headlight, so the bumper has something to grab on. And also on the driver's headlight, it's missing this piece, which is over here, and it has a little spot where I almost fell. That would have been bad. And it has a little spot which holds the bolt and bumper in together. So once I get this side done with this, I am gonna make a custom piece here as well, or maybe just cut off that edge and weld it onto this side. I'm not sure yet, but once that's done, we will have this good to go. Well, almost good to go. So let's get started. Alrighty, guys, look at that. Not the best job, but it's holding in there and the bumper is holding on strong. But we do have another problem with the Mustang, so let us get to it right now. So that bumper looks good. It's actually holding on pretty strong. So we did have some electrical issues. That was the next problem that we want to fix. Our fuel gauge wasn't working, and yeah, let's go. Alrighty, guys, so we basically figured out the fuel issue. It was a cut wire. It looks like there was something living in here that was chewing up the wires. So I soldered in a brand new wire and connected ow, that really hurt. That's what I hit. But I soldered in a new wire, connected up the two ends, and fuel gauge works, which I'm super happy about. Now, one thing that I did not know that wasn't working was my tail light. So apparently when I turned the headlights on, I have no lights in the rear. But when I hit the brakes, the lights turn on. When I use my turn signals, the lights turn on. When I use my reverse lights, the lights turn on. So I'm also thinking it may be a wiring issue, and I'm thinking something may have chewed a wire. As you can see, I have some exposed wire there. So I'm trying to find out what is what, and I kind of need a wiring diagram. So if anyone knows of one, send it to me on my Gmail or something. And if not, I'm going to keep searching on Google. That's a big claim, but let's get to it. Alrighty, guys, so this morning we are headed out to Deltona, Florida, which is about a 2-hour drive, to get a hood for this Mustang. Now, why are we getting a hood? Let me show you all real quick. So when I took it to Matt, he said the aluminum hood was bent. It actually got hit in the front a little bit, which is why it looks like this, and it's kind of hard for everything to line up. It's not going to line up properly, and because it was crimpled a little bit, or crumpled, what the hell is crumpled, it gave it a little raise in the center here and on the corner over there. So we're just gonna get something newer. I actually found one from my 2013 Mustang, which will fit this one, and it looks a lot nicer. It's black, so it'll go with the bumper, but we'll have all that painted very soon, so let's get it. Alrighty, guys, here is the new hood installed, the 2013 hood. It fits up great. Now, here is the issue that we ran into. Unfortunately, I didn't realize that you need a 2013 bumper to fit this 2013 hood, because I thought they were all interchangeable, which they kind of are, but you need a actual 2013 hood because the grill is actually made to fit that. So now we're on the search for a 2013 bumper. It's like we're just taking one step forward, two steps back, but it's all right. We will get there. This may be the longest project, but we also ordered a bunch of parts for this Mustang as well, and I can't wait till they come. We're gonna keep that a secret, and y'all are gonna see all of those in different episodes. Let's head off to the junkyard. Alrighty guys, so here we are. We are at the You Pick and Pull junkyard in Lakeland, and I found a 2010 Ford Mustang, which pretty much gave me a little bit of stuff that I actually needed, but I couldn't find a hood, or also on top of that I couldn't find the piece that I needed behind my driver's side headlight, because that's all crash and bent. So let me show you the car. Luckily it's in the same Kona blue, which is pretty cool, but that's the side I actually needed, and it's all broken up, and well, we can't get that. So we're gonna have to go around and see. This one headlight, I would have gotten it, but it's broken here at the tabs. So I might take the two passenger side mirrors and sell those on the side, which might make me a good little profit. I was looking for the rubber bumper guard here, but the styrofoam piece, but they actually broke it, so it's not even good. But this is what I got so far. I got these cool taillights, which look really nice. One rim, which I need for the back of my other car, because that's messed up. This is what I was looking for, the passenger side one, because that goes right there. So let me see if I can get the passenger side leather. Glue that back. Maybe it might be on this side. It's gone, and I don't see any. Oh, here we go. Leather. Got it. Here's the styrofoam piece that I'm talking about. It's all damaged. What am I gonna do with this? It's damaged. I can't even find the other half to it. What is up, guys? So we are back from the junkyard, and it is super hot outside. So we're driving in the Avalanche. We're heading back home. We're gonna unload the parts that we got. We bought a bunch of stuff for the Mustang. Some of the stuff we're gonna sell, some of the stuff we're gonna use, and it's pretty cool. I found some stuff for the Corolla that I drive also, which is awesome. But anyway, let's get home, let's get unloaded, and I'm gonna show you everything that we got. Alrighty, so finally we're back from the junkyard. We headed over to the duplex, and we are back in this area here, putting on our new hubcap chrome pieces to our Corolla, because we were missing one in the front. So we got some chrome ones instead of matte ones, and they look sick thanks to the Avalanche. John's trying to fix with that one, and we're gonna head home and get set with our Mustang. Let's go. So we are finally back home, and here are the parts that we got for our Mustang. Let me show you. So as you can see, we picked up a variety of parts. We ended up picking up two taillights, which I already installed on my Mustang. So these are the actual original ones that were on my Mustang, which those are going to be sold. I picked up some panels, the kick plates that go by the door, or door still plates, or whatever you call them. I'm gonna resell those. I also picked up two mirrors, passenger and driver side, reselling those. Picked up a fuel kill switch right there, or reset switch, whatever you call it. Mirror, which we're gonna replace on mine because it's damaged, and some other switches which we are gonna put up for sale. And then we also have these leather pieces which are gonna go on our door panels, which is gonna make it look sweet and original and complete. So also, we got some new packages that came in, which will be our coilovers, our front wheel bearings, and our rear wheel bearings, which we're gonna put on that Mustang to get it all running in the proper condition that it needs to be. We got a lot of things for this Mustang, and we have a lot of videos coming up. Like I said, we have our coilover videos, which will be there. We have our wheel bearings front and rear, which will be there. And we have our parts that we're gonna put up for sale, as well as some little minor detail things that we're gonna add into this Mustang to get it nice and complete. But guys, even though the bumper doesn't fit up the way it's supposed to, because there's that gap right there, I'm kind of digging it, and I think it looks pretty cool. We might end up making something custom, like a little mesh to kind of go into there and make it all round off nice. I don't know yet, but I'm kind of digging the look. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. But other than that, guys, with all that being said, I hope you enjoyed this really quick episode of me with the Mustang. Now, we do have a few things that we need to take care of, such as the electrical problem in the rear. When I turn my headlights on, I need my taillights to turn on as well, because that is a safety issue hazard. We also have the coilovers that we're going to be installing in the next episode, as well as the wheel bearings. So stay tuned for all of that. And if you enjoyed these videos, or you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit the like button. Also, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And leave your comments in the comment section below, because I really love hearing what each and every one of y'all think. So with all that being said and done, I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.